What are you eating, little weed? You got a little baby apple? Oh, okay. Do you want to go explore the water truck? What's the matter? You taking it for a drive? Hello. That's a nice truck you're driving. It's one of the new ones. Little weed, hop down and give me a big smile. You lost your apple. Hold it up so the camera can see your apple. Hold it by the stalk. That's right then. Hold it still. That's a little baby apple, isn't it? That's because it's July and it's too early for apples to be grown yet.
It smells like a real apple when it's not a baby.
Yeah.
It does.
Can you eat the apple yet, do you think?
Nah.
What do you think it would taste?
Nah.
What do you think it would taste like?
Sour.
Yeah, and be hard and yucky, wouldn't it?
Who do you say hello to?
I don't know what your question means. What do you mean?
When you say
Oh, say hello. Well, that's to all the people watching this tape. Look out through the TV. Are you looking out of the TV? Are you inside the TV?
yeah.
Yeah. And can you see all the people watching you on TV?
Yeah.
Look at all. We're all staring at the TV watching Angela.
Hi.
Even you're watching the TV. You're on both sides. You're inside the TV and you're watching it.